Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to spam I miss the rage on Snapchat. So for that we have to go on our Snapchat app. Go to your inbox. Then go to someone. And here you have to write I miss the rage with caps lock. Then you have to copy this text. Then hold on your keyboard and then go to clipboard and click right here on our text as many times as you want. And that's how you do it, guys. It's pretty simple. Then again, go to clipboard, click send as many times as you want. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.